Semifinals underway here. It's our 1 seed in red and our 4 seed in blue. Our 4 seed will be at a disadvantage as Team 4911 has been bypassed due to an inability to get into a valid starting configuration. Red Alliance sees Mean Machine put 2 power cubes on the scale. Shockwave not able to connect on their 1. And here we go. Drivers now at the controls with the Red Alliance with a small but growing lead. Sodabots and Mean Machine both putting power cubes on the red scale. 2557 gets there first, 2471 right behind them. Shockwave going to go it alone on the Blue Alliance side of the scale. They've only got 1 power cube up there so far, but they are looking for more. Meanwhile, it's Hotwire. They've got power cubes in their possession, and they're going to try to help out on the scale. They line up, they shoot, and they connect, putting that power cube in place. Blue falls with another one from 4488. And this may not be the foregone conclusion we thought it was. Red Alliance now with a 60-point lead as we approach a minute and a half to play. Red gaining 2 points per second compared to the Blue Alliance's 1. But it is tough when you're down a robot to the number 1 seeded alliance. 2990 Hotwire doing everything they can to get in the Sodabots' way. But 2557 just has a little bit too much. And the Red Alliance now playing a level 3 boost, which will turn their 2 points per second into 4. And help extend their lead now up around 120 points. 1 minute to play, and the Red Alliance has leveled the Blue switch. Blue Alliance score static at 108 points, while the Red Alliance continues to climb. 2471 puts another power cube on the red side of the Blue switch for good measure. Matched by Hotwire, and that will take the switch back for Blue, but it may be too little too late for 2990. Shockwave now down on the red end of the field doing whatever they can to disrupt Red Alliance operations. Red Alliance lead now up to 180 points as 1778, their job complete, is now getting in 4488's way as much as possible. 2557 locks on to climb for the Red Alliance. Here comes 2471. Their climb last time so successful, they're not going to bother with the ramps. Up goes Mean Machine, up goes the Sodabots. Blue Alliance doing everything they can to make it a valiant effort. But as the final seconds tick away, this one is all about your number 1 seeded Red Alliance.
She was looking kind of dumb with her finger and her thumb in the shape of an L on her forehead. Well, the years start coming and
Scores are official in semifinal match number 1. Of course, always difficult when you're down a robot, and the Blue Alliance put up their best efforts, but victory here does go to the Red Alliance. Number 1 seed takes the win, 454 to 140. They will need 1 more victory to move on to our Pacific Northwest District Championship Finals. Hopefully our number 4 seed will be back to full strength for the next match and able to force a tiebreaker. Kevin Ross, talk to us about match number 1 in the semifinals.
Wow, that